What is going on, guys? Matt over at Easy Auto Spa. Today it is Rivian Day. We've got our very first Rivian here at the shop in our Duluth store. We've been hearing about these trucks. We've seen a few on the road. We got our first one. It's exciting because here in Georgia, they're actually building just up the road, about an hour up the road, they're building a huge manufacturing facility. It's going to be where they build a majority of the Rivians moving forward. So we're going to see these a lot in the future. This one is the R1T. This is the pickup truck. It's got some really distinct looks. It's got kind of a square body, some cool looking headlights. It's got unique storage. It's got all kinds of crazy horsepower, 835 horsepower, 3.3 second 0 to 60 time. It's an awesome truck. I love the green on this. I love the interior. It's just really well done from top to bottom. So this customer wanted to protect it. Who knows how long it's going to be before body shops can do any work on these or parts are readily available. So they brought it in. We're doing a full front paint protection film to cover the entire front end of the vehicle. That's the hood, the bumper, the mirrors, the fenders. We're doing a full ceramic coating package, CSU. This is going to be where we basically put our 9-year, the best of the best GTechniq ceramic over the top. We're going to actually take the wheels off. We're going to be ceramic coating the barrels and the wheels as well. We're going to ceramic coat the outside of the glass, and then we're going to window tint it. It's going to look amazing. Check out the vehicle. Hope you enjoy this video. If you've got a Rivian or any other vehicle and you want to swing by and have us take a look at it and get you a quote, please feel free to swing by one of our shops. We'd be happy to help. Thanks, guys.